welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I say different because I haven't done a makeup thing on my channel in a very long time. But I'm going to show you how I kind of get my everyday fall makeup look. Show you all the products that I use. I get a lot of questions about makeup and what eyeshadow, what this, what that I use. So I thought I would do a fall kind of get ready with me for the day and show you, you know, my everyday look. And for eyeshadow today, I am using my favorite MakeupGeek shadows as well as the new like Deck of Scarlet subscription service palette number 10 on my eyes. It is basically a subscription service where you can get a new palette every 2 months or every other month. And it's in collab with a big YouTuber. And the one that I used today was the number 10 palette. So I used the shadows on my eyes, and I've messed around with the highlight. It comes with 2 lip products, 3 eyeshadows, a blush, a highlight. I know it's a lot of makeup. It's just what I prefer. You do you, I'll do me. That's all there is. I actually get a lot of questions about my makeup and if I will do like a little mini tutorial or get ready with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, make sure you are subscribed. I do mommy, baby, lifestyle, can't even say baby anymore, toddler videos, and I would love to have you a part of my family, and let's jump into it. I'm warning you, I look very tired and haggard, but I'm a mom, okay? And I was tired this morning.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet.
look for what I'm going with today. Basically, I know, full face of makeup, big eyelashes, it's just what I do. And my favorite comfy, cozy t-shirt for the moment for like, you know, a lighter, not super cold fall day from American Eagle, and I will link it down below, of course. Give the video a thumbs up. Check the description box. I will link everything that I'm using down below. As my child is eating the pumpkin. Sydney, what? What are you doing? Sydney, can we put that back, please? Excuse me.